monster flash floods have been captured on camera, showcasing the incredible power of nature in various locations around the world. From the monsoon rains turning busy streets into raging rivers in India, to a group of hikers caught off guard by a torrent of muddy debris in Arizona, these incidents are a testament to the raw force of water unleashed. Let's begin our journey in the scenic state of Himachal Pradesh, nestled in the majestic western Himalayas, where nearly 7 million people call it home. Often referred to as Devbhumi, meaning the land of God, this region experienced the fury of nature during the summer of 2022. Floodwaters tore through cities and neighborhoods, leaving nothing but destruction in their wake. The footage captured during this calamity highlights the immense power of the flood as it surged through the streets, sweeping away cars and demolishing buildings, leaving the locals in awe of Mother Nature's might. One particularly striking moment caught on camera showcases the overwhelming rush of water engulfing a village, while bystanders helplessly documented the scene from an overlooking bridge. In a stroke of luck, the cameraman captured the dramatic instance when an entire building was carried away by the flash flood. It was a sight that left everyone astounded, and one can only hope that the affected Dr. Garg clinic had adequate insurance coverage. Moving to a more urban setting, the floodwaters cascaded down a steep hill, turning the streets into a chaotic rush of water and sending cars careening out of control. Onlookers sought safety from the vantage points of their balconies, watching as the damage unfolded before their eyes. The sheer force of the water was evident as it relentlessly surged, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake.
¡Ay! ¡Ay! ¡Nico, me vale!